learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, this phrase is commonly used because when you see someone, you go, hey, what's up? How are you lately? And your answer could be good or not so good. Okay, 这是非常非常这个常用的一句这个问候啦。最近好吗？
安久好冇？
安久好冇？唔好或好。Right? That means not good or good.
也可以说很好，
很好，很好。对对对。
反问你呢
？Okay. 懂后嘛，是不是？
对啊，懂后啊。
Okay, let's teach you a scenario or a couple of scenarios where you're actually doing very well. For instance, maybe finding a new job or maybe getting married. Okay, 我们上个月也在讲结婚这种事情哦。我们把这个喜气再带回到我们的空中来。好，很好，你呢？怎么问？
懂后啊，no。
哈，懂后啊，no. Okay, no. Okay, I'm very good. How about you? No. 那答案呢？我就刚刚讲嘛，我们来教大家说，好开心啊，我要结婚了。
真的啊？
我是希望可以这样讲啦。可是 Alice，
好，我可以教你这句话。
Alice 这句话应该很熟悉了哦。
懂欢喜。
懂欢喜 ，That means I am very happy.
我要结婚嘞。
我要结婚嘞。Okay, 结婚就是结婚 ，That means getting married. 我要 That means I am getting married. All right, congratulations. 恭喜恭喜啊！
我已经结过了。
对了哈。
你啦，结婚海陆腔，结婚。
结婚 That's a different dialect for saying getting married. Or maybe you just found a new job, and that can be very exciting. 找到一个新的工作呢，也是非常兴奋的一件事情。我找到新工作了。
我尋到新嘅條路咧。
我尋到新嘅條路咧。新嘅就是 new 新的，條路
就是工作。
工作頭路啦哈，这个讲听得懂台语就知道这就是頭路的意思。That means I found a new job. Congratulations， 又要恭喜恭喜了。不对，如果我们新工作，我就不会在这里出现了。
对啊，
所以我还是喜欢我的旧工作。
我要恭喜你结婚啊，结婚
啊！对。Let's go ahead and review some of these vocabulary. 结婚 getting married.
結婚
a job 工作
條路
and it's all about asking how are you lately
安久好冇
and it could be good
好
or not so good
唔好
or very good 很好
懂好啊
Let's hear that more often when you answer that question. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
安子say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.